Hello children, good morning all. So this is your GK class and today we are going to learn the second lesson in GK which is Geography Mix. Geography Mix. Children, the world where we live is very beautiful and wonderful with many kinds of things such as water bodies, deserts, landscapes, etc. Okay, and children, do you know that there are 7 continents in the world? Okay, there are 7 continents in the world. So, children, in this lesson, we are going to learn about some geography. Okay, some world geography. So, children, all of you take your textbook, page number 277. Okay, lesson number 2, Geography Mix. Geography Mix. So let's read. The world is vast. It consists of continents and water bodies. How much do you know about it? Take the correct answer. The world is vast. It consists of continents and water bodies. How much do you know about it? Take the correct answer. So children, let's read. All of you ready? Okay. The first one, the Caspian Sea, Arabian Sea is not really a sea. It is a saltwater lake. So children, here given name of the two seas which are Caspian Sea and Arabian Sea. So tick for Caspian Sea. Caspian Sea. Okay, so the Caspian Sea is not really a sea, it is a saltwater lake. Okay, the second one, the largest desert in the world is the Thar or Sahara. Children, tick for Sahara. The largest desert in the world is the Sahara. Okay. Now the third one, the largest country in the world by area is America or Russia. The largest country in the world by area is America or Russia. So children, tick for Russia. Russia. The largest country in the world by area is Russia. Now the fourth one, the largest and deepest ocean in the world is the Indian Ocean or Pacific Ocean. Children, tick for Pacific Ocean. Okay. So the largest and deepest ocean in the world is the Pacific Ocean. Okay. Now the fifth one, the largest island in the world is Greenland or Sri Lanka. The largest island in the world is Greenland or Sri Lanka. So children, tick for Greenland. Greenland. The next 6, the city of Mumbai and most of Goa are on the beach near the Arabian Sea or Indian Ocean. So children, tick for Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea. So the city of Mumbai and most of Goa are on the beach near the Arabian Sea. Okay. Now the seventh one, the Siachen Glacier is in Asia or Europe. The Siachen Glacier is in Asia or Europe? Tick for Asia. The Siachen Glacier is in Asia. Now the last one, 8. The continent of Antarctica or Australia is snow covered. The continent of Antarctica or Australia is snow covered. So children, tick for Antarctica. Antarctica. Okay. So I will read it once again. The Caspian Sea is not really a sea. It is a saltwater lake. 2. The largest desert in the world is the Sahara. Third one, the largest country in the world by area is Russia. Now the fourth one, the largest and deepest ocean in the world is the Pacific Ocean. Now the fifth one, the largest island in the world is Greenland. 6. The city of Mumbai and most of Goa are on the beach near the Arabian Sea. Now the seventh one, the Siachen Glacier is in Asia. The eighth one, the continent of Antarctica is snow covered. Okay, so children, here you can the pictures of Sahara Desert, Pacific Ocean, Arabian Sea and Antarctica. Children, now listen carefully. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest inland body of water, variously classed as the world's largest lake. Okay, it is the world's largest lake. And children, the Caspian Sea is not fresh water. Okay, it is not fresh water and its salty water is diluted by the inflow of fresh water, especially in the north. Children, the next one is Sahara Desert. So, Sahara is a desert on the African continent. Okay, Sahara is a desert on the African continent with an area of 9.2 million square kilometers. Okay, with an area of 9.2 million square kilometers. And children, it is the world's largest hot desert. Okay, it is the largest hot desert in the world and the third largest desert overall. Children, the Sahara Desert has a variety of land features, but it is famous for the sand dunes often depicted in movies. Okay, the sand dunes. Children, next Russia. Russia is a transcontinental country located in the Eastern Europe and Northern Asia. Okay, and children, Russia has a wide natural resources base including major deposits of timber, petroleum, natural gas, coal and other mineral resources. Okay, now the fourth one, Pacific Ocean. Children, the Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest of the world ocean basins. And children, it covering about 63 million square miles. Okay, and it extends from the Arctic Ocean in the north and the Southern Ocean in the south. Children, now the fifth one, Greenland. Greenland is the world's largest island located between Arctic and Atlantic Oceans. Children, the history of Greenland is a history of life under extreme Arctic conditions. Currently, an ice sheet covers 80% of the island. Okay, children, the sixth one, Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea is a region of northern Indian Ocean. It intends geopolitical and economic crossroads, notably via marine trade route for oil and gas resource export. Children, now the seventh one, Siachen Glacier. The Siachen Glacier is a glacier lying in the Karakoram range system of Kashmir near the Indian-Pakistan border. And children, the largest glacier of India is the Gangotri Glacier. Okay, the Gangotri Glacier. Children, now the last one, Antarctica. The world's highest, driest and coldest, windiest continent. The thick Kyson Island covers about 98% of the land. Okay. So children, today's class ends here and your homework is and send me the photo on WhatsApp. So children, let's meet in the next class. Have a nice day.